Good morning, you beautiful peeps. My name's John and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking tyres again. Yes, I know I'm doing a lot of tyres lately, but this is for good reason because it follows on for the other one. Have you ever noticed that the tyres make this sound? And that's because somewhere here you can see, let me put this light on and maybe you'll see a little bit better. See, there's a little hole in there. There you go. See that hole? If it wasn't shaking so much. And that there is designed to allow moisture out and air out. Because you can imagine if you didn't have that there, doing, doing, these would just be ultra bouncy. However, it is a flawed design, apparently. I think it could be, but I've not experienced it myself. However, because it's on the sort of the inner edge, once it fills up with water, and once it fills up with sand and dust and gunk, you then accelerate, and it all just goes flying to the outer edge, and it's got nowhere to go. You see that? Which makes a lot of sense. So there's been several suggestions on how to rectify this issue, and I'm going to try one of them out today. What it is you take your handy little drill, you drill a hole, and then obviously as you're accelerating, everything escapes out. Now, why would you want to do this? What's the benefit of it? Well, you can imagine if you've got loads of sand in one of your tyres, and then you've added some moisture to it as well, water, it could all sort of catch in one side, and as you're accelerating, it's really imbalanced. And I have seen that, but I've never ever caught enough sand in it to cause an issue. The moisture I've definitely had, because I've driven through puddles, and it's definitely filled up with water, but then I've just left it for a couple of days. But that doesn't remove the sand. Of course it doesn't. So, we've all seen these tyres. These are from the WL Toys, the 3 cars, and we all know what they do. So I don't really think I need to do a before. Or do I? Yeah, let's do a before, because we need to put some sand in there. So I'm going to put some sand and some water in there so we can see how imbalanced it is. Unbalanced, imbalanced, under, yeah, okay. And then we'll obviously drill a hole and see if it comes out or not. It's going to be a nice simple video. And before people say, how is sand going to get in there, because as you're accelerating it's not possible, well then how did this dust get here? If there's dust there, well then there can get sand there. So let's see if I can get some of this in there. All I'm doing is sort of rubbing it over the hole. Like so. What we'll do then, seeing as I've got the 2 tyres, I've kept them similar, but I'll obviously run one at the front, one at the back, because usually the one at the front are a little bit sort of thinner. We'll have one that has nothing in it. No, we'll have one that's got the sand and the water in it, one with the sand and the water, but this one will have a hole in it to let everything escape. How much of this should I put in? Should I attempt to put in all of it? The worst case scenario. So what they're saying is once you've drilled your hole on the outside, you then fill the hole with a little bit of tape, this side, on the inner side, and that will just basically stop it filling up. Now you obviously will still get moisture in there, because as you drive through a puddle, water will go in. But it's sort of self-regulating, isn't it? It's self-cleaning, because then as you accelerate, it will just pour out again. Or that is the theory. This is why we're here, ladies and gents. Right, let me just put that there for now. You can see that I've got... Can we hear? No, we can't. But what I will do is... get some water here. Ooh. Make sure loads of water in there. I may as well do the other one while I'm here. No, I need to put some sand in first. Okay, just leave that one there for a sec. Come back here. I'll do the same with this one. Just get some sand in there. I'll blast through this one, fast forward. Here we go. There was some comments about that's what the foam's there for, to stop this happening so much, because it will stop some sand getting in there, but it doesn't stop all, does it? Ooh, bleh. You can feel it's slightly imbalanced already, actually. Let me just show you this sticker that I just bought. Now, obviously, I do not condone violence. However, if this is your little brother, and that's a squirt gun, then I think that will make your point. Okay, now let's get some more sand. Van de Oel. There we go. A very, very big thank you to you all for your birthday congratulations and kind wishes. I got hundreds of them, so thank you so much. You showed me the love, and I really do appreciate it. And also thank you to those that said happy birthday to my father as well. Very kind of you. And good luck to you all with the competition. And thank you once again to Banggood. Right, now I think that's more than enough. What we'll do is we shall put them back in the water. I just want to make sure that we've got loads of water in there. Excuse me. What I'm going to do is put them onto the 144001 that I have by the side here. And then we'll see how imbalanced they are. Unbalanced. Yes, I'm going to have to Google that afterwards. Right. You can see the fact that they're not floating so much now. Oh, that doesn't feel so good. Right, okay. Now I'm not going to drill the hole now because I'm going to actually run them on the car to make sure that the outside is nice and dry, so that when we actually drill the hole we'll be able to see nice and easily that the fluid and sand is coming out. So I think for now I shall press pause on both cameras, get set up outside, and then we'll see how we get on. See you in a minute. Okay, welcome to outside. Sorry about the wind today, it is very, very windy. Right. Let's get some of the sand off. Cool, right. This is worst case scenario. I'm not saying that this will happen because it will to a certain degree pour out anyway. Again, my servo is disconnected. Power on. Let's see how unbalanced they are. I'm going to get out of the way for a second because those first few blasts are going to be just water. Okay, ready? Just make sure we're on full speed. Okay, let's see if we can get some moisture out of these. Yes, fast. Right, move that out of the way. You have to excuse my shoe, they're my comfortable ones. See that? Line of... I'm going to go and get some paper so you can see easily. Actually, I think the box would be better. If I do it... No. There we go. We'll see, won't we, whether it's that one or that one. Wow. Jesus. There you go, ladies and gents. Does it help get it out? Hell yeah. My God. The other way to do this is with the tip of a soldering iron, just quickly in and out again. That's very cool. If you do this, make sure that you tape over the inner. I'm going to put it into slow motion for you now, because this one is definitely ballooning further out than this one is, because obviously this one has the fluid and the sand out now. Okay, you can definitely see that this one is ballooning a lot more. Oh. Come on. You see the fluid there? Yeah. Well, you saw it coming out. Onto slow-mo again. Again, I don't condone violence. Okay, welcome back to the Blue Mat, everybody. Well, what can I say? Does it work? Jesus, yes, of course it does. Did you not see that? And they are empty. So, will I be doing this to every one of my tyres? I tell you one thing that I don't know if I'll be doing. Will I be putting a little bit of tape on the inside? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe because you've got the foam there, if you still get water there, it could take a while for the sort of the, oh, mind you, mud and stuff could still stick on the inside there, couldn't it? Yes. All right. Yeah, I will seal that because you're still going to have your, and this one obviously doesn't have it. I can't find it. Anyway, you're still going to have the hole there to let the air and the mud and whatnot out. So yes, I will seal it on the inside. I'm going to use a little bit of the Gorilla Tape. No, I'm not sponsored by them, just so you know. So wherever the hole is, here, I'll put a little bit of tape here, but I will also put a little bit of tape the other side just to make sure that I keep it balanced. And there you go. What a nice, simple fix mod. Again, thank you so much to those that suggested it. It was suggested to me several months ago as well, and it's been on my to-do list for a video, but it ties in well with what we were doing with the Gorilla Tape on the inside to stop the ballooning, because you will still be able to drill through even with the Gorilla Tape on the inside, so that's really important. So, I wish you all a fabulous day today. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as well, hit that notification bell for future video alerts, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.